Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump on a Jeep Liberty. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench set, a drain pan, and fresh engine coolant. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning this repair to prevent burns. The water pump is typically found on the front of the engine block, often driven by the serpentine belt. This easy method will guide you through each step, making the process straightforward and manageable for most DIY enthusiasts. Next, we'll prepare the system for the pump replacement. Position a suitable drain pan beneath your radiator and carefully open the drain cock to allow the old coolant to flow out completely. Once the system is draining, use a serpentine belt tool to release the tensioner. Then remove the serpentine belt from around the water pump pulley. Finally, disconnect the upper and lower radiator hoses from the water pump housing, being mindful of any residual coolant. Now it's time to remove the old pump and install the new one. Carefully unbolt the old water pump from the engine block, ensuring you keep track of all fasteners. Once removed, meticulously clean the entire mounting surface on the engine block to ensure a perfect leak-free seal for the new gasket. Then, position the new water pump with its fresh gasket, aligning it correctly, and secure it with the appropriate bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, we'll button everything up and test our work. Reconnect all radiator hoses securely and carefully reinstall the serpentine belt onto all pulleys, ensuring proper tension. Now, refill your cooling system with the recommended type and amount of fresh engine coolant. Start the engine, allowing it to reach operating temperature, and bleed any trapped air from the system. Thoroughly inspect for any leaks around the new water pump and hose connections to ensure a successful repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.